Almeida, Lopez. Both the Lopez. You people are not answering. Are you there or not? Adrian, Chris. 2 digits, yes. Adrian, answer. Solid by formula. Chris, answer. Not answering. Use formula, nothing else. If you don't know formula, then I give you that another method. Compound interest formula, take 100 and solve. Here there are options given. 4.06 you said, that is B. Now, be careful when you'll get the answer. Look at the options. Look at the options. Option says 0.406%, 4.06%, 4.6%, none of the above. So be careful while selecting the answer. 4.6 and all that. Okay. Then next. Now this is taken from study material as it is, but I don't want answer. I want how you'll solve it. Say now. सर इंटरेस्ट करते करते डेप्रिसिएशन कहां से आ गया? पहले डेप्रिसिएशन और इंटरेस्ट का क्या ये रिलेशन है वो बता दूं मैं आपको. A machine is depreciated at the rate of 20% on reducing balance. I hope you remember this reducing balance. Okay. The original cost of the machine is 1 lakh and its scrap value is 30,000. Find the effective life of the machine in years. You have to find out years. Now, sir, this is compound interest, simple interest. Now, where depreciation is? This is reducing balance and it is similar to compound interest. In compound interest, amount keeps on increasing. In depreciation, the cost keeps on decreasing. So your formula, P in bracket 1 plus. Instead of that plus, you have to put minus. Rest of the formula remains same. Why minus? Depreciation keeps on reducing. Straight line depreciation and simple interest is one and the same. Here, compound interest and depreciation is having relation. Instead of plus, you have to do minus. Here, there's a formula. This A is equal to A is accumulated amount. Here, the amount at the end. End में कितना amount होगा? Scrap value is the end value. I'm explaining you here. Scrap value is the end value. So it is 30,000. P is the cost, which is 1 lakh. 1 minus I is 20%. That is 0.2. And we have to find out. Is that clear? Scrap value means value at the end. 30,000. 1 lakh is the cost. And 1 minus, not plus, 1 minus 0.2 raised to n. Equation is ready on the screen. Now I want answer from you. Find out n and tell me n. Find n and tell me n. You want me to go one step further? I'll show you one step further also. चलो ये आंसर आ गया. क्या करना है अभी? याद आया इधर कुछ क्या करना है? The right hand side says 0.8 raised to n. So on a calci, take 0.8. On a calci, take 0.8 into, keep on pressing equal to till you get 3. 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 may I got 3, 2. So that is roughly somewhere about. It's not exact, but roughly. So it is 0.8 raised to 5, approximately equal to, not equal to, approximately equal to 0.8 raised to n. 0.8 raised to 5 is 0.32 7, 6, 8. So answer is slightly more. We want 3. So slightly more than 5. Options given were, आपके study material में these are the options given. 4.5 years out of question. 5.4 years, approximately 5 years. It is slightly more than. So we'll go for 5.4 from the given options. These are the options given. Okay, not perfect. I'm giving you some next sum where answer will be perfect. Are you ready? This is taken from study material. Similar sum I'm giving you. I'm changing the values where you'll get perfect answer. Are you ready? B answer. Now here, this is sum. Similar sum, values are changed. That's all. Solve. Same sum I want you to solve. Values are changed. You will not find answer anywhere. This is not from study material. परफेक्ट आएगा आंसर इधर. As far as I know, because I have made this sum, so the answer should come exact. Almost equal to आना चाहिए. नहीं, what you are finding out? Scrap value, हाँ. Scrap value at the end of the life. Okay. So, not this. Next sum. Sorry. This here you have to find out scrap value. Yes, good. 47,829.169. Okay. Here. This sum. Sorry. This sum I want you to solve. Fourth one. Life of the machine. Similar to second sum, this is. I'm waiting for your answer.
पढ़ाई के लिए मेहनत तो सब करते हैं, लेकिन स्मार्ट स्टडी कौन करता है? प्री एग्जाम ऐप के साथ बनाइए अपनी तैयारी सुपर स्मार्ट. प्री एग्जाम ऐप देता है वाइड रेंज के एग्जाम्स की तैयारी, जैसे जी, नीट, कैट, सीए फाउंडेशन, सीएस सीट, बैंकिंग, रेलवे, एसएससी, एमबीए एंट्रेंस, एसवाईजेसी, कॉम, टीवाईबी कॉम और भी बहुत कुछ. चैप्टर वाइज टेस्ट्स एंड मॉक टेस्ट्स, डिटेल्ड परफॉर्मेंस एनालिसिस, और अब तैयारी होगी एकदम परफेक्ट. कहीं भी कभी भी पढ़ाई करें. और एक विशाल क्वेश्चन बैंक आपकी तैयारी को बनाए आसान. इंस्टेंट इवैल्यूएशन से तुरंत जानिए अपनी परफॉर्मेंस और पाएं पर्सनलाइज्ड फीडबैक. तो अब देरी किस बात की? प्री एग्जाम ऐप डाउनलोड करें और अपने नाम से रजिस्टर्ड करें और एक विशाल क्वेश्चन बैंक बिल्कुल फ्री और अपनी सफलता की कहानी लिखें. लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में है. प्री एग्जाम ऐप स्मार्ट तैयारी का साथी.
Yeah. Here it is. 9 is the answer. N is 9 years. Again, those who are having problem, I know some of you may have problem. Up to this step to आना चाहिए. Now what you should do is look at the RHS right hand side. It is 0.805. So on the calci you take 0.805 into. Keep on pressing equal to and counting. First equal to is 2, then equal to till you get 0.141959. Okay, one more sum, similar sum. Now clear? Next, one more sum I want. Adrian, Chris, I want answers from you. Almeida is also there, one Almeida. I want answer from you. Similar sum. Amounts are different. Somebody said 8, somebody said 7. Check again. Equal to का counting बराबर करो. First equal to is 2. Depreciation से minus 1 minus plus नहीं करना है. Depreciation के टाइम पे minus करना. Amount keeps on changing. N is equal to 8 I am getting. Next sum. The population of a town increases every year by 2% of the population at the beginning of the year. The number of years by which total increase of population be 40%. Increase by 40%. Okay. Good. Tejal, good. Keep on participating. क्यों नहीं आ रहा था आंसर अभी तक? Now this. Let the population of the town at the start be X. Which formula? Population is going to increase. Increase, so plus sign. Depreciation is going to decrease, so minus. This is not interest, but this is population. Population is increasing. They have said it. Every year it is increasing by. The population of the town increases every year by 2%. Okay. So, क्या होना चाहिए अभी? It should increase by 40%. Right now it is X. X means 1X. Increase by 40%. Becomes 1.4. Is this step clear? A is 1.4x. कहाँ से? Increase by 40%. Does not become 40%. Does increase by 40%. So on a calculator also you can take 1 plus. On a calculator you can take 1 plus 40% and it will give you 1.4. Is this step clear? Dear student, you are not answering. Is this step clear? Yeah, Priya is giving me answer. Very good, Priya. Others, is the step clear? Now go ahead. What? Now, if somebody said repeat, I'll repeat. It is increasing by 40%. So if it is now x, x means what? 1x. Hello, the one who said repeat. Who said that repeat? Somebody said repeat. Yeah, I'm repeating. Yeah, Om, I'm repeating. Right now, the population is, we are assuming x. What do you mean by x? X means 1x. Mana, sorry, Om. X means 1x. Are you agreeing to that? Mano, please, sorry, Om, please type. X means, yeah, thank you. Now, it is increasing by 40%. So, do one thing, calculator, take calculator. You can't take X on a calculator, but you can take 1. So, take 1 on a calculator, press plus sign and press 40 and the percent sign. Calculator पे percent sign है, देखो दबा. अभी कितना है तो 1x है. हम लोग x तो नहीं ले सकते. Take 1 plus 40%. 1.4 और x है ही अपना, तो 1.4x हो गया. पहला 1x था ना, अब 1.4x हो गया. क्लियर नाउ? Now solve this. You get 1.4 in bracket 1.02 raised to n. वापिस वही टेक्निक यूज करना है. 1.02 into keep on pressing equal to till you get 1.4 or just more than 1.4. Yes, correct. थोड़ा सा ज्यादा करना पड़ेगा इस बार. This is also sum from study material, exactly. But I want you to solve it properly. 17 years आएगा. थोड़ा सा एक्स्ट्रा हो रहा है, अप्रोक्सीमेट है ना? Is it approximate or exact आ रहा है 1.4? Approximate है. Is little more than that. So n is 17. So it will take 17 years to increase the population. Okay, whatever it is, I have not calculated. Priya is saying that exact. जो भी आता है वो 1.4. Okay, next. One more. Here, different type of sum. The difference between CI is compound interest, and SI on a certain sum of money invested for 3 years at a rate 6% per annum is 110.16. This sum is taken from your study material, that SMS study material, exactly as it is. I have not changed, modified nahi hai. But don't look at that and give me answer. Try and solve this. What they're saying, difference between CI and SI. CI is compound interest. So CI, let the principal amount be X. And compound interest formula, P in bracket 1 plus I bracket raised to n. This will give me A. So minus P, that is compound interest. This part is compound interest minus simple interest. This is equal to 110.16. Compound interest. Why minus P? Without minus P, it will give me A. A minus P. Now, substitute the values. P is X, less the principal amount be X. Solve and get me final answer. Now equation is given to you. Then equation दे दिया, solve करो. Nobody giving answer? At least one should give me answer. नहीं? Solving, not solving, God knows. Good students you are. So I hope you are solving. I'm waiting. अच्छे बच्चे हैं तुम लोग. Hmm. 10,000 should be the answer. Say this. Must have done some mistake. That asterisk sign stands for into. Otherwise, you will get mixed up with 10,000 is the answer. Okay. Now from study material, you can solve other sums. They're easy or similar sums. Maybe 2-3 more sums I'll take tomorrow. And then we'll start with that annuity part. And tomorrow, do remind me at the end of the lecture to give you self-weekly test. A weekly self-test. Okay. It will cover questions on LR plus compound interest and simple interest. Maybe effective rate भी हो गया तो effective rate वाला भी sum डाल दूं मैं. Bye.